The rain is continuously pouring and it's been a month that I didn't go out, so today I wanted some fresh air. So I made a small journey to my friend's place, and from there we went to see a legacy which still stands tall since 1880. A property owned by the Britishers during their rule in India. I'm always intrigued by architecture, especially if it is old and vintage and from the different times. It really fascinates me, and I dream and wonder about all the stories that happened here in the past. I came back and next day I got this parcel. I was very eager to open it immediately, but then I thought I should complete my work and unbox it together with you.
A few moments later.